So in this video, we will solve some questions from electrophilic, the effect of substituents on electrophilic reactions. The first question is, which one of the following is more reactive towards electrophilic attack? So let us take the option A now, OH. So we know that OH is electron donating groups. So it makes the density of the electron or the density of the electron will be more in case of this OH. Cl electron withdrawing. NO2 electron withdrawing means it will pull the electrons from the benzene ring. NO2 is also they will withdraw. And here once again we have the carbon. But OH is the best electron donating group. OH will be the best electron donating group. So making the benzene ring highly negative. Because benzene is highly negative, the E plus can easily come and attack. So the option will be A. And second question, which one of the following compounds undergoes nucleophilic? For nucleophilic, so nucleophile is minus. So nucleophile is negative. So it moves towards the positive. So we can make benzene little bit positive by using a electron withdrawing group. So when you use the electron withdrawing group like NO2, it will pull the electrons from the benzene, making it slightly positive, or the electron density will be reduced, like that I can tell. So whenever the electron density is reduced or it is positive, then the minus can come and attack here. So in this case, Cl is electronegative, we do agree. Here also Cl is electronegative. Here Cl is electronegative, but in this case OC3 will donate the electrons. But when you look at the option A, Cl is one electron withdrawing group, NO2 is another electron withdrawing group. So Cl will also pull the electrons from the benzene, and NO2 will also pull the electron from the benzene. So electrons are totally pulled from this benzene ring because of the NO2 and the Cl. So the electron density will be reduced here. So the electron density will be reduced, making it a little bit positive. We can tell like that, so that the nucleophile can come and attack very easily. So this option will be the correct answer. So next question, which one of the following is most reactive towards electrophilic? See, only two things you have to remember now. Whenever the negative sign increases inside the benzene, whenever the electron density increases, electrophile will come and attack. So whenever density increases, electron density increases, electrophile will come and attack. Whenever the density of benzene, electron density in the benzene ring decreases, nucleophile come and attack. That's the basic thing you have to understand. So in this case, which one of the following is most reactive towards electrophilic reagent? So which has got more electron density, that will be easily attracted by the electrophile. So here let us see, methyl group, yes, they donate electrons here. Methox group, they donate the electrons, making it the benzene little bit negative. Here also methyl group is there, OH is there, but we studied that OH is the best electron donating group. So in this benzene we'll get electrons from OH, which is the best electron donating group, as well as from the methyl group. So this will be the correct answer. So in all the four cases they are getting the electrons, but OH is the best donating group, and to support it we got the methyl also. So you can give this answer. Next question, which of the following compounds will be most easily attacked by an electrophile? Once again, we know that for attack of an electrophile, electron density has to increase. Electron density has to increase. OH is the best electron donating group, so it increases the electron density in the benzene. So this will be easily attacked by the electrophile. So next question will be increasing order of electrophilic substitution for the following compounds. So benzene, it is like neutral. Methyl benzene, electron donating group, correct. Methoxy, once again electron donating group. CF3, in case of CF3, because we got the carbon and the fluorine, so we know that fluorine is more electronegative, so it makes the carbon positive, it will gain the electron from the carbon, making it positive, so this will withdraw. So here what happens, electron density, because it's a withdrawing group, electron density will decrease. So whenever the electron density decreases, we know that the electrophile, which is plus, can't come and attack very easily. So this will be the last option, I think, the least. So here also electron donating group, here also electron donating group, but the order I told you, OCH3 methoxy group is a better donating group than the methyl group. So this will be the first thing. So when we write increasing order, means we have to go from least to the highest part. So first will be the CF3. So option 4, you can have that fourth one because it's the least thing. then followed by benzene because it is neutral. Out of these two, this is the best. So this comes next. So 2 and finally 3. So this will be the correct option. So in this reaction, we are given OCH3 methoxy group is electron donating group. And here we got the benzene which is neutral. We are taking it as standard now. NO2 is electron withdrawing group. In an electron withdrawing group, what happens? Electron density decreases. In electron density will increase. So we know that for the electron field to come here, the benzene must have more electrons, or it must be electron rich. So 1 followed by 2 because it is neutral. Here it's not decreasing or increasing. Because it's increasing, I am putting in the first option. Here there's no change because we are taking benzene as the standard. And in the last case it is decreasing. So the electron field will be less. So it will be 1 greater than 2 greater than 3. So in this question they are given aniline, benzene and nitrobenzene, and they are asking for the order for electrophilic. So aniline, we know that it is NH2. Benzene is the standard thing. And third option is given nitrobenzene. So aniline, it was electron donating group na, because nitrogen is more electronegative than nitrogen. So electron donating group. Here it is neutral, benzene is neutral. And NO2 is what? Electron withdrawing group. So here the electron density increases, making the positive command attack very easily. Here the electron density decreases. So whenever the electron density decreases, it is tough for the electron field to come and react. Here it is neutral. So this will undergo electrophilic very easily, followed by the neutral compound, then followed by the decreased part. So it will be like first aniline, then benzene, then nitrobenzene. Aniline is 1, 2 and 3. So 1 will be greater than 2, greater than 3. So the last question they given benzene. 1 is benzene, then followed by toluene is methyl benzene. Toluene will be methyl benzene and chlorobenzene, which is Cl, followed by phenol. So benzene neutral, methyl benzene electron donating group, chlorobenzene electron withdrawing group, OH electron donating group. The best electron donating group is OH phenol. So that will the 4D. Or sorry, the 4. So 4 will be the best, followed by 3 is electron withdrawing group. And once again the electron donating group will be in case of 2. So 4 greater than 2, followed by neutral will be 1, and this will be 3. So 4 greater than 2, greater than 1 and 3. So it will be 4 greater than 2, greater than 1 and greater than 3. So this will complete the questions in electrophilic substitution reactions.